tayo po ay natitipon upang ating pong masaksihan, matunghayan ang pag-iisang dibdib ng dalawang taong nagmamahalan. Sila Shawn Hendricks at Gemma Lynn.
In your eyes, a love that is deeper than the blue in the sky. You are my heart, you are my heart, you are my dream come alive, my everything, my like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever. You're like a picture on
Bobby, a shoes for my MVP and forever teammate. Hindi lang sa court, pero sa buhay din. Ready ka na ba sa overtime ng married life? Wait. Hoy, tingnan nyo! Pwede na! May tagal na to!
Wala pa! Iyak yun. Iyak. Ayun na. Madami. Hindi lang binigay, nagpaiyak pa. Pakainis. Wala pa! Wala.
of all the things I've ever seen. You're magic that I never thought I'd find, and there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time. I see forever when I look in your eyes. A love that is deeper than the blue in the sky.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold.
Daddy, let me start my vow by saying I love you and how much grateful I am to you.
Come kiss me silver and gold.
Thank you for giving a heart that you did not break. I vow to love and support you on this lifetime. Pangakong mamahalin kita kahit gaano man kaingay at kagulo sa labas ng mundo nating dalawa. Just so you know, your love saved me so many times. I couldn't believe that I'm finally loving this life after many years of hating it. I love you.
Gemma Lynn, bukal pa sa iyong buhok ang inyong pagparito upang makais ng dibdib si Shawn Hendricks na iyong baka mamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Hi, Bobby. Finally, ito na yung araw na hindi hintay natin. Ang araw ng pagkakaisa, isang selebrasyon na hindi natin malilimutan at ang habang buhay nating gagampanan.
Shawn Hendricks, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makais ng dibdib si Gemma Lynn na iyong baka mamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Feel the day that I don't. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future, 'cause certain things are out of our control. If you ever move on without me, I need to make sure you know that you are the only one I'll
Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig na binigay mo sa akin. Salamat sa alagang walang sumbat Salamat sa oras na laging bukas. Salamat sa mga gabing hindi ka na halos makatulog pero tinitiyak mo ang ayos ako. Salamat sa pagpiling mo nang manatili, hindi dahil madali, kundi mahal mo ako ng totoo at buong lagi. At sa huli, congrats dahil isa ka ng ganap na pestosa.
Kayong dalawa ay nangangako na sa hirap at ginhawa, kayong dalawa ay kapit kamay, magtutulungan sa inyong paglalakbay hanggang sa inyong pagtanda.
If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. You are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's